From the heart of Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, we present to you a world-class, multi-specialist clinic, Supreme Clinic Limited, manned by one of the best professionals in Africa with a team of highly skilled and diligent nurses and other medical specialists. At Supreme Clinics Limited, your well-being is paramount to us. We dream of a world where every citizen will be well informed about their health status and be catered for medically. Hear what our orthopedic and trauma surgeon has to say.
Supreme Clinics Limited is a multi-specialty clinic that is involved in the management of patients with general orthopedic problems, patients with spine, patients with knees, hip, and bone and joint problem. So we are also doing plastic surgery, right? Deformity correction, bumps, scars, fillers, contractures, etc. We'll go for another, we'll go facelifting procedures, tummy tuck, etc. Like all in and beautified. So we have reconstructive and beautified surgeries that we do in this clinic. We also involved in some general surgical conditions like anemia, endings, bladder pathology, prostate challenges, gastrointestinal challenges, gallbladder, liver, and all that. Then we have a small unit of internal medicine that are generally responsible for managing common medical conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, fevers, malaria, typhoid, etc., etc.
At Supreme Clinics Gwarinpa, Abuja, you will experience a serene environment with an available consultant to attend to every walk-in patient 24 hours a day. Yes, we work round the clock. Why not pay us a visit at number 29, First Avenue, opposite BGT Petrol Station, Gwarinpa, or call us on 080-230-29777, or you can call 080-526-43162. You can also visit our website
at supremeclinicslimited.com
or our social media handles across all social media platforms at Supreme Clinics Abuja to book an appointment. Supreme Clinics Abuja, healthcare at its finest.